The learning is the Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov. Masechet Sotah Perek Daled Mishna Aleph. Arusa v'shemeres yavam. If an arusa or shemeres yavam, their aris or their yavam warns them not to be miyachid with someone, and then they're miyachid with someone. Lo shoises, the parsha of Sotah doesn't apply. Lo noitlis ksuva, but yet they don't get their ksuva. Shenemar, the reason why they don't drink the mei Sotah is because the pasuk says asher sista isha tachas isha, and we darshan tachas isha only for a husband, for a nesua. Prout la arusa, but not for an arusa or a shemeres yavam. A shemeres yavam, even though the halacha would be that Rashi speaks out, even though if you would paskin that shemeres yavam shezinta would be muteres abayil, that means even if shivitaka was mezana, she'd be mutter to her husband, which is a machlekes about that, but still she would not get her ksuva because we wouldn't force him to marry her. So you see from this Mishnah that from the fact that she doesn't get iksuva, that she's asura le bayla, that she's asur to her husband, and that's learned out from a pasuk daber el bnei Yisrael. The Gemara darshans the rabbis arusa v'shemeres yavam, that even though there's no mei Sotah, but still she's asur to her husband. The Mishnah continues: Amana l'kayin gadol v'grusha v'chalutza l'kayin hedye. Mamzeres Messina Yisrael, Bas Yisrael, Mamzel and Asan. In all these cases also, Lo Shoises, the parts of Sotah doesn't apply. Rashi brings down from a Sifri, we darshan kisista ishtoi, dafka by ishtoi, dafka by someone that's ro'y li'ishas, but since these marriages are chayve laven and Mamzeres Messina Yisrael, also you're not allowed to marry. So therefore, Lo Shoises, there's no mei Sotah, but Lo Noitlis ksuva, yet they don't get their ksuva, because it's because of their stira that they're becoming more usher to their husband, and therefore that's why they don't get their ksuva. Mishnah Beis Elu loy shoises v'loy noitlis ksuva. These following ladies also don't drink the mei Sotah, and still they don't get their ksuva. Haimeres tameani. She's moida that she was mezana, or shabola edim she tameya, or edim come and say that she was tameya. V'haimeres eini shoisa, or she says she doesn't want to drink the mei Sotah. So these are 3 of the 5 that we had in the Mishnayos in the first parak, and we had it in the last parak as well, this list. But over here we're splitting it up because the first 3 are her fault, and therefore she doesn't get iksuva. But Amar Baila Eni Mashke, so you have to sort of put in over here the words Aval. But if the husband says that he's not giving her the mei Sotah, or Baila Bo Ale Baderech, in these last 2 cases, then Noitelis Ksuva, so she does get her ksuva because it was his fault. He was goyim that she shouldn't be able to drink the mei Sotah. The loy shaisa, yet she can't drink the mei Sotah, but over here she gets her ksuva because it was his fault. The Mishnah continues, Mesu ba'alein ad shaloy shasa. Let's say before she drinks the mei Sotah, the husband dies. So now it's a suffix. We don't know what would have happened if she drank the mei Sotah. Would she have been asura and she wouldn't get her ksuva, or would she bumateres and she would get her ksuva? So what do you do in this case of suffix? Do the yarshim have to pay the ksuva or not? She gets her ksuva because Reishama Ishita is that if there's a shtar choiv and a shibun nechasim on this shtar, so then the Baal Hashtar is considered a muchzik more than the loive, and therefore, since it's in her rishus over here, she's the muchzik of the ksuva. Now the Yarshei Habal are considered the Toivim, and you say Amoitzu Mechaver Raya, and the Yarshim would have to bring a Raya that she was Mezana in the stira, and therefore she gets her ksuva. But Beis Hillel argues, and he says Leishoises V'leinoitus ksuva. He holds that because they can't drink the mei Sotah, so therefore they don't get their ksuva, because he holds Shtar Ha'imid Livais Lav Kagami Dami, and the Yarshim are considered the muchzik, and they don't have to pay her until she would bring a raya that she was not mezana.